drag challenge for a few years, been talking about it for years, so we finally brought a VX Baleno station wagon. We're building an LQ9 LS for it and put a 4L80E in it. And we just thought we'd film the process of it. It's going to be a bit of a recycled race car, so a lot of second-hand parts going into it. We're on a tight budget this year, and then as the years go on, we'll progress and throw some turbos on and stuff like that. This year will be if we make it. If we make it, we don't know if we're going to make it, but this year it will be purely a nitrous car, and the engine will be nothing flushed on. So all basically second-hand parts of what we've got lying around. So we'll see how we go. The aim is just to get there. But yeah, the car itself is engineless, no one's home in there. I've already brought LQ9 for it. That's stripped and he's been hot tanked at the moment. It's not getting border in it. I'm just going to hone it. We'll just have flat tops in it. What else? Anything else? No, we got nothing. So yeah, we've got a bit of work to do. It is what now? It's May. It's May now, so yeah, so we don't have much time. But we'll see how we go. We'll give it a crack. If we don't make this drag challenge, we'll keep going and and get it going and get it on the strip and hit next year even bigger. Yeah, that's about it. So if you want to watch the build, we'll film the engine build. Basically film the whole build, step by step. And yeah, if you're interested, like and subscribe to the channel and keep a lookout for the upcoming videos. The engine video should not be too far away. As soon as we get it back from getting up tank, that's a bit. We'll be into assembling it. Alright, that's about it, eh? Alright. Have a good one.